How to fix Snapchat filters not showing up. Let's get started. First, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your Snapchat filters might work. Next thing you want to do is launch your Snapchat. Then click on the avatar icon given at the top left. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Once you're on this page, scroll down. Now here, you'll see this option, Help Center. Click on it. Once you're on this page, scroll down and navigate to the option Contact Us. Now here you're gonna get this pop-up, Submit a Request. Now here you can select the option, I need help with the Snapchat feature. Now here you're gonna find an option, select the option Camera. Then click on the option Camera Features. Click on the option Contact Snapchat Support. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here you'll need to submit a request. First up, click on this drop down and select the option Camera Features. Then type in your username, type in your email address, and here describe in detail that your Snapchat filters are not showing up. Then you can submit it. With that, Snapchat support team will get back to you. You can have conversation with Snapchat support team and your filters will work. So this is how you can easily fix Snapchat filters not showing up. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.